From the moment a customer gets in touch with us, we arrange a free, no obligation quote with one of our friendly surveyors at a time that is suitable to our customer. Clients can expect from their first consultation lots of expertise from our friendly surveyors, providing you with different options and guiding you through the process of what would work with your windows. We generally try to help the customer as much as we can, and it would depend on their windows what configurations they would have. If they've got bay windows, sash windows, period windows, but we would always guide our customer and help them as much as we can. All our surveyors have a vast knowledge in fitting shutters, so they will guide you to find the right shutters for your home. After installation, we provide all our customers with a care sheet on how to look after their shutters. If for any reason there is anything wrong afterwards, we will always return to them promptly. We aim to always return to existing customers within 48 hours.